Good morning, everybody. And this morning here, we're getting an early start on this one because this is going to take all day. We're working in the crock pot. Gonna make a soup. This is a smoked sausage and bean soup, and I can't wait to show this to you, but we got to get this on, so let's take a look at what we're putting in here. All right, guys. Yeah, we got a little bit of everything for this one. We got some beans here. I'm using some Great Northern beans. You can also use navy beans, or heck, use whatever bean you want. We're using Great Northern beans. Got some chicken broth. We got some diced tomatoes, a couple bay leaves, or at least one or two, I don't remember. Due to time, I went ahead and did all my chopping and all my prep time. 2 whole, I believe these were sweet onions. Got about a cup of diced, or chopped anyway, carrots, some chopped celery. Got some fresh garlic from the jar. Got some tomato paste, fresh thyme, beef smoked sausage, and a couple ham hocks. And who knows, we might even throw in the kitchen sink, who knows. You guys, over here on the stove here, and I got to put 8 cups of chicken broth in this pan. We're gonna heat this up to a boil. First one was 2. This is 4 cups. Six. And 8. Alright, as we're just starting to go into a boil, I'm going to turn this down to low. Just let her simmer there while we get everything else going. Put the lid on it, let it chill for a bit. I'm going to start adding to the pot here. Mama was nice enough to separate the beans and rinse them off for me, so I'm going straight in the pot. Took our 2 ham hocks, put them right on in there. These are 2 whole onions. Couple carrots. Celery. Get in there. There's our can of diced tomatoes. Got 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Coming right out. Perfect. A little bit more. And in my case, an equivalent of 2 cloves of garlic. And roughly a teaspoon of dried thyme. And I can't forget the 1 bay leaf we're going to add here. And we're going to carefully pour our hot broth right over top. I mean, very carefully. That hurt. Incorporate this the best we can. Smells good already. There's nothing left to do here. We've got one more step to do later on today, but for now we're just going to turn this on high. And we'll check back in about 8 hours or so. Alright guys, it has been about 7 hours, and just because it's right here, I'm going to pull that bay leaf out. We're going to go into our final steps. We're probably still another hour from eating, but we got some other stuff to do. that not look delicious? I'm gonna get these ham hocks out of here. So let them cool off. Oh, would you look at that? All that beautiful ham's gonna go back in there. It's all falling apart. It's okay. Alright guys, let this cool down a little bit. We're gonna go into our final stages. Alright guys, let's move this out of the way. We're gonna cut up this ham part. So I don't want that all that fat. I don't want all that fat. There's a piece of ham in there I want though. We're gonna take our ham. Ooh, it is hot still. Probably just shred that with a fork probably. We do want all these ham pieces go back in this. Hot, 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 hot. Let's get all this ham right back in the pot. Beautiful. If you didn't notice, I did move the crock pot back here on the stove just to kind of get it back out of the way. Alright guys, this is actually about, I got 2 packages, they were 12-ounce packages, so we're running about 1.5 pounds. This is beef smoked sausage, use the brand of your choice. We're just going to cut these up in about 1/2-inch circles, 1/2-inch lengths, whatever you want to call them. That's all we're doing here. Alright guys, you can take this, put this right into the pot of soup already, but we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to get a little sear on these, just to add a little sear flavor on them. It's not going to go real long. Oops. Get in there. Just long enough to get some of that sear flavor in these. That's all we're going to do. Now see how that's getting just a, well, let me get it where you can see it. Just getting a little color there. That's what we're looking for. Let's go ahead and stir these around so we can get it on all sides a little bit. Keep it going for just a few more minutes. And we'll get it into the soup. Make it a part of it. The big question is, how do I get all of this? I might have to get another scoop. I want to see that searing on there. Just a little added flavor. Put all of this, like I said, this is about 1.5 pounds of beef sausage. Let's get this other one, make my life a little easier. It's all about making my life a little easier, right? I don't want to go crazy here because I know there's some salt in the sausage, but I did taste this and I think we need just a little salt. I don't want to go overdue. We can always add. You cannot take away. So just a little salt and pepper. Give all of this a good mix. We're going to let this cook for about another 30-40 minutes. And then we're gonna get a bite. I can't wait. That looks delicious, guys. Can you see that, guys? Smells amazing. Looks amazing. Let's get a bowl of this. Let's see what it tastes like. Okay, let's get some of this. I don't make a mess here. You look at that. Smoked sausage and bean soup. Could not wait to get a bite of that. It is hot. It smells delicious. Let's give this a go with some of that sausage in that bite. It is hot. Delicious. Glad I didn't add too much salt, because that sausage did add some salt to it. Try it with just the beans. Winner. Guys, that is a winner. You got to give this a try. Definitely give this a try. Wow. Definitely good. I would do this again. I will have the ingredients, or my version of this recipe, down in the comments, and feel free to make it and let me know what you think about it. So guys, thank you as always. Let me wash this down. Let me know in the comments what you think about this, and if you go out and make this, come back and let me know once you make it. Let me know what you think of it. So guys, thank you as always. I enjoy doing these videos. Getting off to the new start of the new year, 2025. I don't know when you're watching this, but it's January 2025 right now. And we've had a lot of winter weather for our state. So we're doing a lot of indoor cooks right now. So guys, again, thank you. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Like the video, hit that bell notification, let you know every time I post a new video. Guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.